Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq, SPX and Dow Jones. This is the intraday. We're gonna dive only on the 1 hour and 15-minute chart to see what happened today, what it might happen next at the end of the day. So basically, I mentioned today, be careful. It is a tricky price so far because we are already here in something kind of like an impulse wave A. So we have an impulse downward somehow and we got an impulse upward. Yeah, so it is very tricky, but this impulse upward is not yet done, right? So it's not finished, so the probability is still there, of course, to drop down, and that's why it is tricky. So we gotta be careful. Despite that we have a 1 2 3 wave 4, also like an ABC there, we have another three waves formation. Yeah, and this is of course a red flag again, because we didn't continue toward the upside on the 15-minute chart. In case that we are looking at something as bullish, you would like to see, of course, continuation here as after 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, of course, continuation in case you have double 1 2. But if this is a finished ABC zigzag, that means okay, it's a red flag, and we gotta be careful. This can be impulsive 1 2 3 4 5 towards the downside, formation of an A B and a C. Now, another probability can be also something as a motive wave unfolding there, which it can be the diagonal, but I still doubt it so far. I mean, we still need some confirmation that this is a kind of like a zigzag is gonna form. But basically, higher probability still going for something corrective, wave C first, and we'll see in case we get the one-to-one fib level. Meaning, if we are here in an AB and a C there, wave C as a regular flat is a one-to-one, and we'll see in case we get it. In case we are also in a diagonal, it might be in the same area, same region, but we have to still wait for the identity of this wave. Is it gonna be a zigzag or is it gonna be a deeper wave 3 4 and a 5? Higher probability for me is still for something as a zigzag, because I try to catch a both case scenario at the same time. Meaning, if we are in a 1 2 3 and then wave 4, I cannot give it as a leading diagonal because you still need the invalidation there to call, of course, something as diagonal. So we would like to see an ABC first before pushing toward the upside. Or in case it is also an ABC in bearish, it can be, of course, something as WX and Y, but I still doubt it. Again, we have also a probability of a large ABC. So we have to be careful from something very deep. That's why I'm going a little bit longer with the wave rather than being shorter in a diagonal, because also it covers this probability toward the downside as well, where we have a large ABC. We didn't took the high, by the way, so it can be kind of like a regular flat or something as a 1 2 as well, since you didn't took the high. I know the probability reduced at the 886, but still there and still open. Yep, so this is regarding Nasdaq. Now, if we move to SPX on the 1 hour chart as well. For SPX, we are looking also at a potential finished impulse here as a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. We have something, another 5 waves that we can count without invalidation there. Interesting. And we see still, of course, some weakness after this move here. So we gotta be careful with it, especially that we didn't took the high. This can easily transform to WX and a wave Y somehow, and then starting a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 to dive deeper, where you might be in a large A, B, and a C to hit our wave 2 main target 0.38 at 7K $90. On the 15-minute chart as well, I don't see yet a signal of strength to continue upward here, despite that we have something impulsive that it can be here a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. All of this here is simply corrective, but this correction is very, very long regarding this 1 2. However, of course, we're gonna see what's gonna happen in this area. If in case we take, of course, this low, that means, of course, it's your confirmation for lower here. Yeah, so this is our confirmation for lower prices. That means we dive deeper, guys. We might take the low and we might take the 7K $90 as a deeper wave C. Of course, it can be even a wave 2, so we're gonna test it as well here, like a deep wave 2 1 2, but I still doubt it, guys, because we didn't took the high again. So yeah, probability is still, of course, going for bearish, but we gotta watch. Yeah, we have to watch. It's not confirmed yet. Yeah, it's not confirmed. Of course, this is your confirmation here, confirmation for lower. So we'll see if this is going to happen, guys. So we still, I would say, between those two range, confirmation for higher, confirmation for lower, because you need, of course, the 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and then we push for higher. That's why I'm gonna test a deeper wave too before we push for higher again. So we'll see, guys, what's gonna happen. Basically, this is regarding SPX for Dow Jones as well. On the 1 hour chart here, we finished our impulse. As we mentioned, yeah, very likely to be in an ABC expanding flat A and then wave B there, especially that you don't have a wave 2. Basically, as 0.38 now, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse, and you have a very shallow correction and then finishing ending diagonal, meaning A, B, and a C is very likely here, and you might have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as an ABC expanding flat, hitting our targets for a wave C expanding flat 49K 572, and it is kind of like unfolding so far. Where we can see on the 15-minute chart, it is a potential impulse there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 3, 4, triangle, and wave 5 starting to unfold toward the downside again. So if this is an impulse, then at least we are looking for a deep wave there for a wave 2, in case that this is a 1, 2, but I doubt it. But anyway, something deeper is unfolding at the same case scenario for the bullish and for the bearish. That was it for the stock indices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.